Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We have an amazing functional equation here, but make sure you try these questions before I solve it. And I'll be solving this problem in two different ways. And we have to compare which of this one is advisable to be applying if you have a kind of problem like this. We have f of 1 over 1 plus x equals x. And what is f of 3 over 2? This is a fractional number. Let's consider the solution. Here is the first method. First is, if I let this domain, which is 1 divided by 1 plus x, equals what we're asked to calculate, which is 3 divided by 2. Then, we are going to find the value of x by cross multiplying. By cross multiplying, we are going to have 3 multiplying 1 plus x, then equals 2 multiplying 1. For here, we open the parentheses as 3 we multiply 1, that is 3, then plus 3 we also multiply x, this gives us 3x, equals 2 we multiply 1, that is 2. Since we need x, and what separates 3 and 3x is this addition, we have to take this 3 to other side. That is one way of making only 3x here. The other way we can still apply to take 3 to other side is by subtracting 3 from both sides. This is positive. It can only be cancelled here when we subtract 3 from it. Therefore, we have minus 3 plus 3 plus 3x equals 2 minus 3. With this, both of these cancelled, and we have only 3x equals minus 1. We need x. We have to take the division of 3 in both sides. If you cannot apply this format, you can just say let's multiply 1 divided by 3 to other side, or 1/3 to both sides. So doing that, we have 1/3 multiplied by 3x equals minus 1 multiplied by 1/3. Then 3 cancel 3. We then have our x equals minus 1 multiplied by 1, that gives us minus 1, then divided by 3. This is the value of x. But we have to resubstitute this thing back into the original questions, since what we have is f of 1 divided by 1 plus x, which I replace 1 over 1 plus x with 3 over 2. And by just replacing it at this point, we have f of 3 over 2 equals x. But the x here now is given as minus 1 divided by 3. So we try to replace it, and we get the final answer as f of 3 over 2 equals minus 1 divided by 3. This is one way of solving this a beautiful question. How do you see this method? Does it align with how you solve it, or how you think first after seeing these questions? Let's hear the answer in the comment box, and let's get into the second way of solving this, and we do the comparison of which of this method is more effective to use. Let's consider the second method, and if you are just coming to this channel, try to hit the subscribe buttons. It costs you nothing, and like this video and share to others. Thank you. Let's solve this using the second method. We try to use substitution. What we have is 1 divided by 1 plus x. If I let it to be equals y. Why is this method very important to use is we might not ask to find f of 3 over 2. We might ask to calculate another number. To make it general, we just replace this with y divided by 1. And our goal is we want to make x the subject of the formula as well from here. Then we also cross multiply. By cross multiplying, we are going to get y into bracket of 1 plus x equals 1. Then there are two things we can do here. It's either I open this parentheses or I divide both sides by y. So dividing both sides by y here make it more professional, or we say multiply through by 1 divided by y. So by multiplying through by 1 over y, we have this y into bracket of 1 plus x equals 1 multiplied by y. So y cancelled y, and we have 1 plus x equals y. Sorry, this is 1 divided by y. So this gives us 1 over y. And we need x. We have to subtract 1 from both sides, as we have x equals 1 over y minus 1, which we can write this as 1 minus y divided by y. Okay, then we substitute back, and we are going to have f of 1 divided by 1 plus x is now y equals, and our new x is either we leave it as 1 over y minus 1, or we have it as 1 minus y. 1 minus y over y. Then by substituting here, we are going to have 1 minus y divided by y. Okay, and here we need x. We have to change this one to x, as we have f of x equals 1 minus x divided by x. We have made this thing general, in a general form. The next thing is we find f of 3, just replacing x by 3 divided by 2. And here we have f of 3 over 2 equals 1 minus 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. So trying to consider this one will take us lots of time to get, or let's say trying to simplify this thing might take us much time. So you can just try to apply 1 divided by y minus 1. So that one will make more sense, will ease the work for us. So therefore, for 1 divided by y will now be 1 divided by 3 over 2, then minus 1. And by reciprocal law, 2 will come up. So here we have 2 over 3 minus 1. And for 2 over 3 minus 1, so this one gives us, minus 1 divided by 3. So this is how to solve this problem. How do you solve your own? Let's hear the answer in the comment box. Never stop learning. Bye bye.